In this video, I show you how to deactivate Facebook and Messenger. Facebook often changes its layout and design, making it difficult to find the settings we need, especially deactivation and deletion settings. I will try to make it easy for you in this quick video. Please like the video if you find it helpful. Please keep it in mind that if you have any active pages on Facebook and you are the only person to manage them, you should know that your pages will be deactivated too. If you want to keep them active, then add some person as admin to manage them. If you plan on returning to Facebook, make sure you still have access to the email address or phone number you used to log into Facebook. Now, let's begin. On your Facebook app, tap on the Settings menu. Next, scroll down to the bottom. Now, go to Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Privacy Shortcuts. Now, scroll down until you see Delete your account and information. Just a note, some Facebook users may see the delete settings in the Account Center too. Now tap on Delete your account and information. Deactivate account is already selected. Just hit Continue to Account Deactivation. Enter your Facebook password here and tap Continue. Choose This is temporary. I'll be back. Next, tap Continue. Scroll down to the end. Now, tap here. You can choose days here if you want. Facebook will automatically reactivate your account after the days you choose, or you can choose Don't Reactivate Automatically. Next, tap Continue. This is the final stage. Tap Deactivate my account, and your account will be deactivated. You will log out automatically. Now let's deactivate Messenger. Open up your Messenger app. Tap the menu icon. Next, tap the gear icon. Scroll down to the end. Tap See More in Account Center. Now go to Personal Details, and then Account Ownership and Control. Now go to Deactivation or Deletion. Next, select your Facebook account. Deactivate Messenger is selected by default. Now hit Continue. Enter your Facebook password. Hit Continue. Tap Deactivate Messenger, and your Messenger will be deactivated. That's it. We have successfully deactivated our Facebook and Messenger account. I hope the video helped you. Please help me grow my channel. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Comment if you need any help or anything you want to say. Thank you.